Schoolmate po kami. And then, 2015, naging friend kami po.
Then, nag-Saudi siya, naputol yung communication namin. Every year naman, nag-chat ako na to greet her happy birthday every year.
Then, after 2 years, 2022, ito po, maging kami. Kinakabahan na masaya.
Hindi ko alam kung iiyak ako o ano, pero masayang-masaya ako. Sobrang masaya.
Lahat ng pagsubok na dadaanan natin in the future, malalagpasan natin. Basta tiwala lang sa isa't isa. Kahit after ng kasal, aalis tayo pareha sa ibang bansa. May panahon naman na magsasama din tayo. Basta tiwala lang.
Alam ko, sobrang hirap. Babalik ka na naman ng Qatar after this wedding. Babalik ako, mag-iwalay. So, always pray lang na yung pag-apply natin sa same country, maging good result.
Lalo mo naman na kaluguran ka talaga. Ikaw, wala nang aliwa.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Ray. I love you so much. Nak, bigyan mo ako ng maraming apo. Yan lang.
I love you.
Salamat po. Talagang tayo sobra-sobra.
Kadrama.
Thank you.
Kung may anak sila, itaguin lang ako para makatapos ang pag-aaral.
Salamat po na mabuti kang anak sana din ang anak pa kanya lang.
asawa ko. Muli na kasi matay awas ko kaya I can't describe the feelings and emotions right now, but I'm truly grateful and thankful, thinking I'm the most happy person.
With grace and wisdom, I know I will look back on this day as the beginning of our journey, challenging at times, but an incredible journey nonetheless. And even as my memories fade, as the moment on my younger life seem farther behind me, I promise to never forget this day.
At last, I'm marrying you, marrying the person who believed in me and taught me how to live the life in this world.
You are my everything, and I can't wait to call you my wife. With love, hug, and kisses, and the promise of a lifetime together, your future husband.
I will dedicate myself to your happiness, success, and smile. I will be forevermore. I will love you always. Your pinakamagandang asawa, Ray.
Ito,
nagtanong sa akin ng isang kaibigang bagong kasal. Sabi ko, perhaps a more important question to ask is what is the secret in a successful marriage? Simple lamang po ang aking sagot. Start with the right foot. And starting with the right foot means starting with God's love. Yun.
Eyes open wide and the world is before us. We are the sound of a beautiful chorus, holding to the theme, you and I. When we are together, we are bright. We're light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We're feeling it. We're light. We have everything we need and we know. We were made for this adventure and we were made to go. We're light up. We're light up. Aiming for the stars against the sky. When we are together, we are bright. We're light up. We've been waiting
Here
for
is
this
witnessed the first legal kiss, or should I say, their first kiss as a newlywed couple.
We're light up.
Once again, our newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Andrea and Philip James Thiessen. Congratulations.